pro level tools to make sure your furry friends get nice and maintained. You got clippers, you got the lint roller, you got the de-shedder, you got the paw trimmer slash nail grinder. Paw trimmer slash nail grinder is going to be great if you have Maltese, Yorkies, Shih Tzus. It's going to help with making sure that the hair in front of the face gets nice and cut. You have that long hair that goes over the eyes. You can also trim up around the hair. That's going to help make sure, again, they stay nice and pretty. So all that hair, though, again, gets collected into this container. All you're going to have to do is take this wonderful little container and dump all that hair out. All that hair goes into the trash, okay? It's a 2.5 liter container. All right, it's gonna be big enough for both 2 Huskies, 2 German Shepherds. Are you gonna be able to use Squeezy? So let me go again, what kind of dogs you guys have. Let me know if you have Beagles, if you have Boxers, if you have Basket Hounds. All right, don't be afraid, let me know.